Hey, tea enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Ali's channel. Today, we have something truly special to share. A teapot that not only brews the perfect cup but also adds a touch of elegance to your tea rituals. It's the MeditaCup Teapot. And I can't wait to dive into the details. First things first, let's talk about the design. The MeditaCup Teapot is a work of art. Handcrafted with precision. The attention to detail is remarkable. From the delicate handle to the beautifully designed spout. It's not just a teapot, it's a statement piece for your tea corner. Now, let's get to the practical aspects. The built-in infuser is a game changer. Whether you're a loose leaf aficionado or prefer the convenience of tea bags, this teapot caters to both. And the best part? It's so easy to clean. The pouring experience is smooth, and the spout design minimizes drips. A small but significant detail. It's clear that functionality was a top priority in the design process. But what truly sets the MeditaCup Teapot apart is the experience it provides. Brewing tea becomes a mindful moment. The aroma, the pouring, and that first sip. It's a sensory journey that elevates your tea time. Don't just take my word for it. Users have been raving about the MeditaCup Teapot. And it's easy to see why. It's a harmonious blend of form and function, making it a must-have for any tea lover. If you're as enchanted by this teapot as I am, you can find more information and get your own MeditaCup Teapot through the link in the description below. The MeditaCup Teapot is not just limited to traditional brewing methods. Whether you're in the mood for a classic Earl Grey or exploring a blooming tea, this teapot adapts effortlessly to various brewing styles, enhancing your tea experience. The versatility here is key. It accommodates different tea types, ensuring that each brew is as diverse as your tea collection. It's like having a dedicated teapot for every mood. Beyond its functional brilliance, the MeditaCup Teapot brings an added layer to your tea ritual. The sheer beauty of the porcelain, the comfort of the handle, and the way it enhances the visual aspect of the brewing process. It turns your tea time into a mini ceremony. Just look at how the tea gracefully flows from the spout. It's a mesmerizing dance that adds a touch of elegance to every pour. This teapot isn't just an accessory, it's a performance. Now, let's address the practicalities. Cleaning is a breeze. The materials used in the MeditaCup Teapot make it dishwasher safe, ensuring that maintenance is as easy as brewing your favorite tea. A teapot that's easy to clean is a teapot that encourages frequent use. And that's exactly what the MeditaCup Teapot achieves. Trust me, the MeditaCup Teapot is more than a vessel for tea. It's an investment in your tea journey. Whether you're a seasoned connoisseur or just starting to explore the world of tea, this teapot adds a layer of sophistication and joy to your ritual. If you're ready to elevate your tea experience, check the link in the description to make the MeditaCup Teapot a part of your tea collection. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the MeditaCup Teapot. If you're as excited about it as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more tea-centric content, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy steeping.